In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear apps from the background on your iPhone. When you have too many apps running in the background, it can sometimes cause issues or prevent other apps from opening properly. Removing specific apps from the background can help solve this. There are multiple ways to remove apps from the background. The first way to do this is to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to reveal all the apps you've recently opened. If a particular app is giving you trouble, simply swipe up on the app to close it. You can also use 2 or 3 fingers to remove multiple apps simultaneously. Just keep in mind, frequently used apps are better left in the background, as reopening them can take more time and use more battery. The second method to remove background apps is to head to your iPhone settings, scroll down to Accessibility, then tap on Touch, and select Assistive Touch. After enabling the virtual home button, tap on it, select Device, followed by More, and you'll find an option called App Switcher. Tap on this to see the apps running in the background, and you can remove them from here just as you did in the first method. And that's how you can clear background apps on your iPhone.